Hey there, have you ever walked into your kitchen only to find a tiny army of ants crawling across your countertop? Yeah, we've all been there. You clean everything, you put food away, and still, boom, ants everywhere. So what's the deal? Well, let's break it down. Ants are like tiny scouts on a mission. They're constantly on the hunt for three things: food, water, and shelter. And guess what? Your kitchen has all three, served on a silver platter. Let's start with food. Even if you think your kitchen is spotless, ants have a crazy sense of smell. We're talking about 50 times more sensitive than ours. Just a tiny crumb behind the toaster or a drop of spilled juice is basically a 5-star buffet to them. Then there's water. Leaky pipes under the sink, a damp sponge by the faucet, that's gold for ants, especially in dry seasons when moisture is harder to find outside. And don't forget shelter. Your warm, cozy kitchen, perfect place for ants to build their little colonies, especially in hidden spots like cracks in the wall or under cabinets. Now, here's something interesting. When one ant finds something good, it leaves a scent trail. It's like a GPS line for all the other ants to follow. That's why once you see one ant, you'll probably see 20 more within minutes. So what can you do about it? First, cut off their food supply. Wipe down counters daily, sweep the floor, and make sure food is sealed tight, especially sugary stuff like honey or jam. Even pet food bowls can attract them, so keep those clean too. Next, fix any water leaks and don't leave damp sponges or towels lying around. Dry surfaces equals fewer reasons for ants to hang around. Then comes sealing entry points. Ants are tiny, so they can squeeze through the smallest cracks. Take a little time to seal gaps around windows, doors, and pipes with caulk or weather stripping. It's a small job, but it makes a big difference. You can also use natural repellents. Try wiping down surfaces with white vinegar. Ants hate the smell, and it messes with their scent trails. Or sprinkle cinnamon, black pepper, or citrus peels near entry points. These natural ingredients work surprisingly well and keep your kitchen chemical-free. And if you're dealing with a bigger ant invasion, you might want to use ant bait stations. They take the poison back to their colony, which helps eliminate the root of the problem. Just be sure to place them out of reach of kids and pets. So, the next time you spot ants in your kitchen, don't panic. It's not because your house is dirty. It's because your kitchen is like a paradise for them. But now that you know what they're after, you've got the power to stop them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Fresh Home 24 for more simple tips to keep your home pest-free and cozy. See you in the next one.